And then we can go to slide number 15.
All right.
Slide 15. Yeah, slide number 15.
Uh-huh.
And this one is the blocks that we did in the bag. So we know that there are two different blocks in the bag. Maybe I should share my other screen. Hold on. Is it? Nope. Okay. Did it pop up?
Yes, you're good.
So we know that there are purple and green blocks in this bag, right?
Yeah.
And then we know that there are 10 because that's given in the problem. But we don't know how many purple and how many greens are in there. We just know that the total of blocks are 10. And we're trying to figure out how many purple blocks there are in this bag. And how we did it was by pulling out each block and putting it back in 200 times. And that's how she got the 61 and the 139 over here. And since out of 200 times we pulled out, we pulled out 61. We pulled out purple 61 times out of the 200 times, right?
Yeah.
So to find the probability of pulling the purple blocks out of the green blocks, we would take the 61 and divide it by 200 because we pulled it out 61 out of 200 times. And then to find the probability of pulling out a green block, we would do 139 and divide that by 200 because we pulled the green blocks 139 times out of 200.
Yes.
And then how we can find or try to figure out how many purple blocks there are in the bag. I'm gonna go to here. We can, where is it?
I forgot what group you were in. I think it was
I
group.
think that was 2. So what we did was divide the total number of each color draws by the total number of experiments. So what we did was divide 61 over here by 200 and we got, let me get my calculator.
No, you're good. I was gonna grab mine too, but I can't remember where I put my calculator. I think it's over here somewhere. Oh no, I don't know what.
It would be 0.305.
Yes. So it would be 0.305. And we multiplied that by 10 because we have 10 blocks in here.
Oh, okay.
And that gave us 3.05, right? And that's how they got 3 purple over here.
Mm.
And then you can do the same thing, but for the green. So let me know what you guys get for that.
Okay. I have a calculator on my phone, so give me a second. Let's see. Calculator.
He's so cute.
Thank you.
I can't.
Yeah.
So I did the 200 divided by 139, and then I got 1.43, and then I multiplied that by 10, and I got 14.3, so it would be 14 green.
Does that seem right?
Would it be 7?
Yes.
It would be 7. Why did I say 14? Wait, what?
It's because you took the 200 and divided the 200 by the 139.
Oh.
The 139 and divide it by the 200 because
Oh yeah, because then that would give you 14.
yeah. So this is a formula. So the PA is equal to the number of times A happens over the total number of outcomes in the sample space. So I'm gonna stop sharing this screen and I'll share my other screen so you guys can see how I would solve it.
I felt like it was wrong because once I said 14, I was like, that's definitely more than 10 when you add the two. I was like, that's wrong.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
So where's my pencil? Okay, so I'm gonna write the formula.
I'm gonna write that down too then for sure for tomorrow. So cute.
Ollie, stop.
Name is Ollie.
Yeah, his name's Oliver, but we call him Ollie.
Aw.
He's so cute.
I'm serious. We could babysit.
No, like I would literally babysit him for free. Like I'm literally down.
Hey
So
man, I would let people babysit him. If, oh, okay, baby. If there wasn't COVID.
No, I know. It's okay. After everything is better, then we got you.
So during our breaks or during your break, I'll just hand him over to you on campus, and then when I'm done, I'll take him.
There you go.
It'll
Hey.
be a little system.
What's up?
Yes, we'll have a system, Kathy. I got you. Okay, wait. So can you show me how? Okay, so you said P. Okay, wait.
Sorry, hold on.
We're good. Number of times A happens over total of
Okay. So for the hi Wafa, here you can look at this Google Doc.
Hi, how are you?
Good. I just sent her Google Doc on through the chat right now, and we're on slide number 15.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so how we found how many purples there are was by taking the formula P and our A. Okay, Ollie, our A is going to be purple.
She said, okay.
yeah, literally. She's like, I get it.
I know, for real.
So how many number of times did we pull out purple? One.
Didn't we say the wait? Give me a
On
second.
slide 15.
On slide 15, so 61, right?
Yeah, so 61. And then how many times did we pull out blocks in general?
200.
200.
So 200. And what does this give us if we divide it?
That one was, we said 0.305,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then we multiplied that by 10
And why did we multiply it by 10?
because that's how many blocks that were in the bag, like total.
Mm-hmm. So that
Right.
gives us 3.05, right?
Yes.
So our guess is based off of the 200 draws, there are 3. purple blocks. Oh my god. He just learned how sorry. He just learned how to crawl on the couch. So he was on the couch right now and he almost fell backwards.
Oh no.
Okay. Okay, moving on. How do
Good.
you find the possibility of or probability of green blocks?
So for the green, would you do 139? Wait. Over
Yeah.
200?
Yep. Oh, before I continue with this problem,
Mhm.
this is the probability. So
Okay. Let me highlight
the
that.
probability of pulling out the blocks is purple block is 0.3 0.305. And the reason why we multiplied 10 was because we wanted to find out how many purple blocks there were, and we know that there are 10 blocks in there. And then how we convert the probability from a decimal to a percentage is by multiplying the 0.305 by 100. And that will give us a 30.5% chance of pulling a purple.
Oh, okay. Give me a second.
Because this formula over here, it is to find the probability. But we can use that to find out how many blocks there are.
Got it.
So the 200 is how many times we ran the simulation, right?
Exactly.
Okay. And then 61 was
For purple.
Yeah.
How many purple?
the
have you-
purple. Oh, okay.
And then
Yeah.
and then the 139 is how many times we pulled out the green. And that's why to find the probability of probability of pulling a green, we divide 139 by 200, and that gives us I think it was like 0.6. Was it 0.6?
Oh, you guys, I set it up. I knew what I was doing. That's why earlier I said 14. I knew what I was doing. I just flipped oh my god.
Yeah. It's okay.
Why did you multiply 0.305 by 10 though?
So to find how many blocks there are, how many purple blocks there are, we multiply it by 10 because we know that in the bag, there are 10 blocks total. So if we were to, for example, change the problem a little bit and say there are 12 blocks in the bag, we would multiply the 0.305 by 12 to find out how many purples there are. So the number that doesn't change is the 0.305, but the number that can change is the 12 because it's based off of like how many blocks we know are in the bag. Did I confuse you some?
No, that makes sense. So it's like you divide 61 by 200 to find the
Probability.
probability, and then to find how many
Purples.
to find out how many